Hello everyone, this is Charlie Flores. I'm a realtor with Herron Real Estate. Today I'm out here in the RiverTown community located in the city of St. John's within St. John's County. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Hawkin model. The Hawkin model or floor plan is by Mattamy Homes and features 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, a 3-car garage, and has approximately 2,603 square feet. Here we are approaching the front porch. Covered front porch. This home is built on a 60-foot home site and is part of their Spirit series. Here we have an 8-foot entry door. Let's take a look inside. Here we are entering the foyer. So nice size foyer, wide. And homes here will feature wood-like tile or LVP flooring. We're going to continue our tour to the right into bedroom 4. The dimensions for this bedroom are 11 feet by 10 feet with 10 inches. Now, if you're interested in knowing more about RiverTown or Mattamy, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text or an email, and I'd be happy to connect. Now, I do not work for the builder, but can represent you in the purchase process. I'm happy to walk you through the new construction process, whether you're looking to build from ground up or a home that's already under contract. Okay, here is bathroom 3. This is a full bath that'll feature 1 or 2 sinks. This model features quartz countertops with the undermount sinks. Here's the shower tub combo. Then a linen closet here. Heading over to bedroom 3. This room is 11 by 11 feet. Now be sure to check out my Mattamy Homes and RiverTown playlist. There you'll find community tours and videos of other models. All right, and then here we have the closet. Next is a study, and this room will feature double doors or without them, and it'll be an open room. You can see here it's been staged as a study. All right, and this room is approximately 13 feet with 3 inches by 10 feet. Straight ahead is the kitchen. 4 pendants here and 5 seats, so lots of seating here in the island. Okay, standard kitchen layout with the microwave and then the roll-in range. Here's another view of the kitchen. And then the sink. Homes in the Spirit series will feature 9-foot ceilings and standard door height, standard interior door height. We're gonna have 6-foot, 8-inch doors. Here's a walk-in pantry. Straight ahead is the garage entry door. And then this is the mud room where you're gonna have some shelving here. And then the laundry room. Okay, next we're gonna take a look at the great room or living room. This area has 21 feet with 6 inches by 19 feet 4 inches. There's a large sectional giving us an idea of the space here. We're going to continue to the left, taking a look at the dining room. Now this dining room has been staged with 2 dining tables put together, also giving us an idea of the space, lots of seating here. If there's someone who enjoys hosting, definitely lots of seating between the island, living room, and then dining room. 3 transom windows there, and then 2 windows here allowing natural light. And this dining is about 13 feet with 4 inches by 14 feet 10 inches. Okay, we're gonna take a look at bedroom 2. Now this bedroom is 11 by 11 feet. Here's the closet. Now you'll notice that there are no doors here in the model, and that's just for showing purposes. And this bedroom, bedroom 2, has an ensuite bath. So a bathroom within the bedroom, walk-in shower. And then a transom window there. Let's take a look at the backyard, the lanai area. Okay, this features an 8-foot sliding door. All right, so here we have the lanai, and the approximate dimensions for this covered lanai are 20 by 12 feet. And RiverTown is a natural gas community. You'll see a gas stub here. Most homes will feature a gas stub in the lanai. Now, if you're building from ground up, there is an option to include that with your home. And then you'll also have a gas cooktop or gas range, and then an option to connect a gas dryer. There's also an outlet for an electric dryer if you prefer an electric dryer. Next we have the owner's suite, and this room is about 14 feet by 15 feet with 8 inches. Okay, let's take a look over here from this point of view. Next is the owner's bath. There are 2 structural options that are featured in the Hawkin floor plan. This is the bath oasis that features the garden tub and a walk-in shower. The other structural option includes just the walk-in shower with no tub and a bench within the shower. Here are 2 sinks. Water closet, and then the walk-in closet here. If you'd like to know more about RiverTown or Mattamy Homes, looking to move to the Northeast Florida area, I'd love to connect. Feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text or an email. Once again, my name is Charlie Flores. I'm a realtor with Herron Real Estate. I hope you enjoyed the video.